Hi guys, welcome back to Savizz at Kitchen TV. Today guys we'll be doing some green juice. Yeah, you heard me right, some green juice, yeah. So we'll be doing some cucumber and some green apple along with some ginger. Yeah man. A glass a day, keep the doctors away. So stay tuned and watch the process. Yeah man, so we're gonna get right into it right about now. So let me show you what's going on down here. Yeah. Yeah, let me see. Right. Hey guys. Hope you guys can see me. Okay. I get my stuff a bit closer. Right. So that is it man. So we're gonna get right into it now guys. Whoa, this is what's going on. Oh my goodness. Alright. I didn't set the thing properly guys. So yeah guys, we're gonna continue our juicing process. Even though a minute ago I was losing some of the juice, it wasn't going in my container, it was going on the table instead. But anyway, managed to clean that up. So I've got 5 green apples and some ginger here that I'm gonna carry on juicing. So yeah, I'm gonna get them in like so. That is it. That is it, bro. That is it. Wow. Here guys, I'm gonna add a little lemon juice as well, so I'm just gonna give it a good old roll. I'm just gonna roll it just to get it, get the juice. More juice when you do it like this, you get more juice out of it, Yeah man, that's it. So just, I'm just gonna get it in here like so. Alright, so that is it guys. Alright guys, check here. guys, I get some ice. So I'm just gonna pour some of this green juice in here, like so. And remember, guys, a glass of this a day keep the doctors away. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, man. A glass a day keep the doctors away. So yeah, I'm gonna sample this goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. So refreshing. Cool and refreshing, guys. Amazing. Give it a go, man. Give it a try. Wow. I think I'm gonna need some more of this, because I think today is, I think they said what, today is what, 30 degree? Yeah, man, so it's very hot, guys. It's like a heat wave on the outside. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but right now I'm sweating. I'm sweating like crazy. But yeah, this just come in handy, to cool me down. Yeah, man. Wow. Oh yeah, why not? I did say a glass a day keep the doctors away, so this is my second one. So refreshing, guys. Yeah, man, hope you guys feeling fresh to do the same. Yeah, man. Just get out the cucumbers and the green apple that you have decorating your tables, and yeah, man. Get them in the juicer, man, and drink up the thing, man. What you do? And make some green juice, and you know what I mean? Yeah, man. The ginger in it, guys. Oh, it's just so good. So amazing. This drink is so refreshing. So yeah, guys, you can go ahead and, yeah, I mean, give it a try, yeah? It's lovely. I can't tell you that now, it's lovely. And it had a lot of health benefits as well, yeah, man. Wow.